with an estimating software like Stack, no job is too big. Here at Construct, a social enterprise by Blue Door, our mission hinges on really creating meaningful employment opportunities. Our role is really about training individuals, but in order to do that, we have to create those training grounds. We secure jobs in our community, renovation projects, constructions, landscaping, anything along those lines, we're willing to take it on. We've been able to leverage the technology to build sophisticated estimates, sophisticated quotes, that position our business to not only carry out effective jobs, but do so in a manner that respects our customers, but also brings value back to Construct. What Stack is doing for us is it's speeding up our quoting times, guaranteeing a far greater accuracy rate in terms of our quotes and our ability to return a margin. Ultimately, that level of sophistication that shows up in that quote really helps establish that trust with the end customer. Our quotes, they look different, they feel different, and the customer feels that there's more being put into that. These quotes in the contracting world, they often are that first impression. And if you're fumbling your first impression, could be negative for you, could be negative for the customer, but with the sophistication and the ease of use of something like Stack, you're talking about ensuring consistency. You're talking about ensuring that level of credibility and that level of expectation with your customer base. You know, I get really excited in thinking about where we can go to next. And when you have, a great software tool like Stack behind you, you're set up for success because there isn't a job that it can't help you tackle.